Today in this video we will learn about how to add PDF file to your WordPress post. If you want to add PDF file to your WordPress post, then in that case just log into your WordPress dashboard and then click over Add New Plugin. Now from here search a plugin named PDF Embedder. Now install that plugin and then activate it. Now under that plugin, go to Settings section. Now here make various settings, for example maximum width and height of the PDF file that you would like to show. Once you are done with the settings, click on Save Changes. Now go to Add New Post and then here you can add a new PDF file. So for that, click over plus icon and then select PDF Embedder. Now click here to upload your PDF file. Once the PDF file is uploaded, now you can also write title, comments, description for SEO purpose. Now click over the Publish button to finally publish your post. Now if you visit your website via web browser, then you will be able to see your page with the detailed post visible along with the PDF file. You can access this PDF file directly in your browser.